Huawei has done it again. With its brand new Mate 70 Pro Plus, the company is pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. From cutting-edge materials to AI-powered features and a camera system that rivals professional setups, this phone has a lot to offer. Is this the ultimate flagship of 2024? Let's break it down feature by feature. The rear panel features a textured nylon surface, blending gold threads with brocade fiber. This combination not only creates a stunning visual effect, but also adds durability, making the phone less prone to scratches and fingerprints. It's a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. The frame, on the other hand, is crafted from titanium alloy, or as Huawei calls it, high-brightness basalt. Fancy name, right? But this material isn't just for show. It provides excellent strength, drop protection, and scratch resistance. And the best part? It achieves all of this without compromising on weight or aesthetics. At just 226 grams, the Mate 70 Pro Plus feels solid and premium in hand, yet it's still lightweight enough to remain comfortable for extended use. Huawei's attention to detail truly shines through in every aspect of the design. To top it all off, Huawei offers this phone in a stunning range of colors, including gold, silver, brocade, feather white, flying sky blue, and ink rime black. With so many options, there's a look to suit everyone's style. Now let's talk about the display, and trust me, this is where the Mate 70 Pro Plus really flexes its muscles. The phone boasts a stunning 6.9-inch quad-curve OLED display with ultra-slim bezels, making for an immersive viewing experience that stretches edge to edge. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just scrolling through your favorite apps, the visuals are nothing short of breathtaking. One standout feature is the 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. This technology allows the display to dynamically adjust its refresh rate based on what you're doing, saving battery life during light tasks while delivering buttery smooth visuals when it really counts, like during gaming or high-speed animations. With a peak brightness of 2500 nits, the Mate 70 Pro Plus ensures that you'll never miss a detail, even under direct sunlight. Bright, vibrant, and full of life, it's a display that makes every moment, whether you're streaming, browsing, or gaming, a visual treat. Under the hood, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is an absolute beast. Huawei's Kirin 9020 processor takes center stage, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency that ensures top-tier performance across the board. The Kirin 9020 chip comes with an improved 2.5 GHz large-core clock speed, making it noticeably faster than its predecessor. Whether you're launching apps, multitasking, or running demanding software, the Mate 70 Pro Plus delivers smooth, lag-free performance. To complement the processor, Huawei has paired it with the Mali G920 GPU. This GPU is optimized for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks, ensuring high frame rates and stunning visuals during gameplay. Whether you're diving into intense mobile games or editing high-resolution videos, the Mate 70 Pro Plus keeps up effortlessly. The phone also comes with 16 gigs of RAM as standard, giving you plenty of room to switch between apps and handle heavy multitasking without any slowdown. Combine that with storage options of 512 gigs or a massive 1 terabyte, and you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your games, photos, videos, or work files. To tie it all together, HarmonyOS 4.3 ensures the entire experience feels smooth and polished. It's optimized to take full advantage of the hardware, delivering fast app launches, improved power efficiency, and an overall snappy, responsive feel. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running AI-based tasks, the Mate 70 Pro Plus handles it all without breaking a sweat. Cameras are where Huawei has traditionally excelled. The Mate 70 Pro Plus is no exception. This device brings a camera system that rivals professional DSLRs, and that's no exaggeration. The centerpiece is a 50MP primary sensor with a variable aperture, f1.4 to f4.0. This dynamic aperture adapts to different lighting conditions, ensuring you get the perfect shot whether you're capturing a sunny outdoor scene or a dimly lit room. It gives you the flexibility to play with the light and depth like never before. Complementing the main sensor is a 40MP ultra-wide lens, designed to capture breathtaking landscapes, expansive group photos, or creative wide-angle shots with impressive clarity. For close-ups and distant subjects, the Mate 70 Pro Plus features a 48MP macro telephoto lens. It offers 4x optical zoom and an incredible 100x digital zoom, allowing you to capture fine details up close or subjects far away without compromising quality. allowing you to capture fine details up close or subjects far away without compromising quality. Adding to its versatility is a 1.5 MP multispectral sensor. This sensor enhances color accuracy and detail, resulting in photos that look more vibrant and lifelike, perfect for those who demand realistic shots. On the front, you get a 13 MP selfie camera that ensures you look sharp and clear in every shot or video call. Whether it's casual selfies or professional-grade vlogs, this camera won't disappoint. What truly sets this camera system apart is Huawei's use of RYYB sensors, which dramatically improve low-light performance. Combine that with AI-driven features like AI Heroic Moment, which keeps your subject in focus during chaotic or fast-moving scenes, and you've got a setup that's both smart and powerful. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a vlogger, or someone who just loves capturing life's moments, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus delivers exceptional results every time. One standout feature is AI calls, which enhance communication by offering real-time translation, improved voice clarity, and even automated call summaries. This is a game changer for professionals and travelers, ensuring seamless conversations no matter the language or environment. Then there's AI Gestures, a futuristic addition that lets you take screenshots or share files using simple hand movements. No need to touch the screen. It's intuitive, convenient. For those who like to take calls in busy settings, AI noise reduction steps in to improve call quality by filtering out background noises. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or a noisy commute, your voice will remain crystal clear. Photography gets an AI boost too. AI movement trajectory is perfect for dynamic shots, allowing you to clone moving objects in photos for creative and artistic results. Add to this AI cloud enhancement, which sharpens images taken up to 10 times zoom, ensuring clarity and detail even at long distance. These AI-driven features transform the Mate 70 Pro Plus into more than just a smartphone. It becomes an intelligent companion that understands and adapts to your needs. Whether you're multitasking, snapping photos, or making calls, the AI capabilities elevate the overall user experience to a whole new level. Now let's talk battery life, because what good is a flagship phone if it can't keep up with your day? The Mate 70 Pro Plus comes equipped with a massive 5700 mAh battery, which is slightly larger than many of its competitors, ensuring that you have more than enough power to get through the day. When it comes to charging, Huawei has you covered with lightning-fast 100W wired charging and 80W wireless charging. This means you can go from 0 to 100 in just under 30 minutes, perfect for those on the go. Plus, it supports 20W reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up other devices like earbuds or smartwatches without needing a separate charger. Battery anxiety? Not anymore. With the Mate 70 Pro Plus, you can stay powered up all day, and then some, without worrying about running out of juice. It's a game-changer feature for anyone who demands long-lasting performance from their smartphone. Huawei didn't stop there. The Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with some impressive extras that enhance its overall usability. For connectivity, it offers dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and Huawei's Nearlink technology, ensuring faster and more seamless pairing with other devices. When it comes to navigation, the GPS system supports multiple satellites, providing accurate location tracking no matter where you are. But perhaps one of the most groundbreaking features is Huawei's introduction of satellite paging, currently exclusive to China, which allows for emergency communication even without cellular coverage. These little touches add another layer of functionality, setting the Mate 70 Pro Plus apart from the competition. Whether you're pairing devices, navigating through unfamiliar places, or in need of emergency connectivity, this phone has you covered in ways others simply don't. All right, let's talk price. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus starts at roughly $1,120 for the base model with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. If you want the higher 1TB variant, it goes up to around $1,250. So with those prices, you're getting a top-tier flagship phone packed with features. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus delivers a stunning design, next-level cameras, powerhouse performance, and smart AI features, making it a strong contender for the best flagship of 2024. But what do you think? Is the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus the flagship phone you've been waiting for? Or does the competition have it beat? Let me know in the comments below.